Hi, this is Joshua Patalos with LA Sports Performance Care. I'm an integrated movement therapist, and this is Kent Johnson, also one of our integrated movement therapists. What we're going to demonstrate for you is the first of a series of glute and hamstring exercises, and this is called the prone hip extension. What you're going to do is you're going to lie down face down just like Kent is right here, also called prone position. And you're going to take your hips, and you're actually going to push your hips right here where your hips meet your pelvis. You're going to drive that down into the ground. Now what that does is that helps you to engage your glutes. Okay? You're going to either do this for a sustained hold, or we may have you do repetitions of this. It depends on where you're at based upon what we assess. Okay? Common errors with this is you holding your breath, and you allowing yourself to get into your lower back. So if you notice with Kent, when he actually engages his glutes, his pelvis actually tilts backwards as he pushes down into the ground. So you want to make sure that you're almost, it's like you're tucking your tail between your legs every single time you contract. Okay? A progression from this, if we find that you're strong on this, and we may actually progress you, is a bent knee hip extension. So what happens here is you're going to actually bend your knees. Find a foam roll at your, if you have a foam roll, it's got to be this diameter. This is about a 4-inch diameter foam roll. Most foam rolls are 6 inches. That's too big. Maybe you want to use a rolled up towel or a pillow. You're going to put this between your knees. Bring your feet in together on it. Turn your toes in. Pull your toes back towards your knees. You're lightly squeezing this, okay, but it's just enough that you're actually engaging the medial hamstring. You're also, because your knees are bent, you're actually engaging the lower hamstring and the upper hamstring, because the hamstring crosses the knee and it crosses the hip joint. So if you cramp on this, stop the exercise and revert back to the previous one that I just showed you. Same concept. You're going to drive your hips down into the ground, engage your glutes, either for a sustained hold or repetitions based upon the homework that we give you. Okay, so that's a prone hip extension, bent knee, and straight leg.